Hi, Steve Chrysler here. Today I want to talk about how to become a bookkeeper. So it's actually rather simple. The number of things that you have to do to become a bookkeeper is rather simple. And bookkeeping itself is not like becoming an astronaut. Pretty much anybody that has the will to do it and has the drive to do it can do it. And you don't have to be a math wizard. You don't have to have a college degree. You don't have to even have a high school degree. You just have to have, a will and desire to learn QuickBooks Online, the software, which is what I recommend. There is other software, but most people use QuickBooks Online these days, so I recommend you learn that software. And with knowing that software, there are tons of clients that you can get. So there's no need to learn other software. So the main things that you need to know and learn to become a bookkeeper are, like I said, rather simple. First thing you want to do is learn QuickBooks Online. Now, I have a course, Learn, Start, Grow course. There's a link below for that. You can check that out. But this is where we teach you QuickBooks Online. And we teach you how to get a free QuickBooks Online for Accountants version. And teach you how to use it. We have weekly Zoom sessions with me and a weekly Zoom session with Pam, who's our QuickBooks Online guru, where you can ask questions and get answers. So it's a great way to learn QuickBooks and also the other aspects of having a bookkeeping business. So that's the first thing, is learn QuickBooks Online. And like I said, we teach you that. You can learn it other ways, but we do offer a very good system and course that teaches you all the things that I'm going to talk about. Okay, so learning QuickBooks is number one, right? The second thing is branding. It's really important to have a very strong and professional brand. You don't want to create your own logo unless you're really good at creating logos. You don't want to create your own website unless you're really good at creating a website. And we offer that, again, in my course for not a lot of money. And it's professional and looks really nice. So, but you do want logo, you want business cards that you can hand out, and you want a nice professional website. Okay, so that's the branding. So we've got QuickBooks Online, learning it, and getting it, and learning it, branding, and now you want to, with the branding, you can advertise. So it's hard to advertise without branding. So it's really important that you have the branding before you advertise. And then, getting your brand and your name and your services out in front of people becomes rather easy. So the advertising, there are ways you can advertise for free. There's lots of ways. I never pay for advertising, but you can. I don't recommend it because there are so many free ways to do it. But so you can advertise. I talk about it in the course, different ways to advertise for free. And then there's some also low-cost ways to advertise. There are some high-dollar ways to advertise too, but I don't recommend that. Most people don't want to do that, and I don't recommend it. So we've got learning QuickBooks Online, we've got branding, and we've got advertising. And then the other piece that wraps everything up is talking to clients and potential clients. So there's a lot in my course about that because there's a lot of different aspects of it, of how to talk to potential bookkeeping client, from getting over your fears to talk to them, imposter syndrome, and because those first couple clients you're going to be nervous, so ways to deal with that, the questions you should be asking a potential client, and so that you can land that potential client, your pricing, how to price that that potential client. And so the whole process of those initial conversations with the potential client and getting that potential client with the right pricing. And then going forward, you have different ways to communicate them with what you need from them on a monthly basis, how to get that information from them in an efficient way that doesn't eat up a lot of your time, because time is money. So the more clients you can do in, say, a particular hour or 2 hours, the better. And a lot of things can be done in an efficient and effective way. So there's all of that. So there's the talking to clients, both potential clients and existing clients. That's really important. So that's really it. And if you do all these things and know all these things, you will have a prosperous bookkeeping business. Like I said, you don't have to be an astronaut, or a math major or a college graduate to become a very profitable bookkeeper. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Steve@bookkeepinglife.com. I'm happy to answer any questions that you send my way. And I hope you have a great day. All right. Take care. Bye.